Welcome to Ozitraveler. Today, we're exploring one of Australia's most iconic destinations, the 12 Apostles. Whether you're planning a road trip or just dreaming of visiting, here's everything you need to know. Located along the famous Great Ocean Road in Victoria, the 12 Apostles are a group of towering limestone stacks, rising majestically from the Southern Ocean. They were formed over millions of years as wind and waves eroded the cliffs. Now only 8 remain, but they're no less spectacular. Getting here is part of the adventure. From Melbourne, it's a scenic 4-hour drive along the Great Ocean Road. Be sure to stop at other breathtaking spots along the way like Lorne, Apollo Bay, and Lockard Gorge. Once you arrive, head to the 12 Apostles Visitor Center for maps and tips. The best views are from the lookout points, just a short walk from the car park. Don't forget your camera. The views are picture perfect at sunrise and sunset. Speaking of the best time to visit, plan your trip between November and April for warmer weather and longer daylight. Mornings and evenings are less crowded, giving you a more peaceful experience. Want a unique perspective? Book a helicopter tour for an unforgettable aerial view of the 12 Apostles and the rugged coastline. It's a bit pricey, but totally worth it. Keep an eye out for local wildlife like kangaroos and koalas in the nearby Port Campbell National Park. And don't miss out on other nearby attractions like Gibson Steps, where you can walk down to the beach and feel the power of the ocean up close. Whether you're a nature lover, a photography enthusiast, or just seeking adventure, the 12 Apostles is a bucket list destination you'll never forget. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Ozitraveler for more travel tips and inspiration.